In this video I wanted to look at one of our exciting new titles, Advances in Precision Livestock Farming, which is edited by Professor Daniel Berkmans at the Catholic University of Leuven in Belgium. Part 1 looks at data collection and analysis with chapters on technologies such as wearable sensors, thermal imaging techniques, acoustic techniques, machine vision, activity location technologies, as well as developments in data analysis. Part 2 looks at applications. So there are chapters, for example, on automated monitoring and control of livestock housing, developments in automated and precision feeding, developments in automated systems for monitoring conditions such as mastitis and lameness, and developments in automating monitoring of livestock fertility, as well as advances in robotic milking systems and developments in monitoring grazing behaviour of livestock. Well, to give you an idea of just how good this book is, I picked out a couple of chapters to look at in more detail. One is from part 1, it is chapter 1 on developments in on-animal farm sensors for monitoring livestock, which is written by a team from Central Queensland University, University of New England in Australia, and New Mexico State University in the States. This chapter discusses sensor components and also looks at the range of sensor types, for example head stall or halter sensors or tail and tag sensors. It looks at location issues and then looks at things like activity and monitoring and movement sensors such as accelerometers. It looks at physiological audio sensors, as well as issues such as energy management, communication, data transfer, data management and analysis. And finally, it looks at how those sensors can be applied in pig, poultry, dairy and beef production. The second chapter I wanted to pick out is from part 2, and it's chapter 10 on developments in automated systems for monitoring lameness, which is a major health problem, written by a team from the University of Reading, the University of Nottingham, Bristol University College and the University of Essex in the UK. This chapter provides an excellent overview of methods for detection of lameness, including wearable and non-wearable approaches that either detect changes and abnormalities in the gait or stance of the animal, or indirectly detecting changes in individual and social behaviour. The chapter discusses technologies such as the use of video, accelerometers and spatial positioning systems, as well as methods to analyse data. Well, I'll conclude, if I may, by quoting Professor David Kilton at the University of Guelph in Canada. And he says, "Precision farming is growing rapidly across the globe, and I'm very pleased to see the expertise of the individuals who have been brought together for this project. I fully expect that this publication will be highly sought and cited by farmers, advisors, researchers and students around the world. I look forward to seeing this important contribution to the precision farming body of knowledge." Well, we think this title precisely hits its target too, and we hope you agree.